Benefits of carrot seed essential oil. Benefits: used to treat wounds and prevent the risk of infection in them. But it is never used neat, undiluted, as it is an essential oil. Kills parasites in the intestines. This property is also known as vermifuge. It is a digestive aid as it aids the release of intestinal gas. Carrot seed oil is known for its ability to detoxify the liver. Promotes the release of urine. Improves overall health. It reduces the discomfort of menstruation and facilitates it. It aids the body in releasing out toxins and thus cleansing the channels. Carrot seed essential oil is a terrific antioxidant. It is used in aromatherapy to reduce muscle pains. Leven Rose, pure and organic carrot seed oil. Description: cold-pressed, unrefined. Suggested use: skin, massage a 1 to 2 drops amount into palms and apply to face as a nighttime moisturizer or add a few drops to your favorite lotions. Hair care, massage a few drops into scalp before shampooing or add to your conditioner. Other ingredients: 100% pure, organic, unrefined cold-pressed, virgin carrot seed oil, Daucus carota. Warnings: store in a cool, dry place, out of direct sunlight. Shelf life: 1 year from purchase date. For external use only. Keep away from flames and high heat. Keep out of reach of children. Custom reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.